Howdy ho, guys and gals. Welcome back to the Den of Tools. Today is Monday, June 29th, which means it's time for, say it with me, Tales of the Week. All right, we got a ton of hot deals for you. I'm sure we're all burned out on Amazon, so we're doing another Amazon free deals of the week. First, let me thank today's sponsor. When Monarch reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to try our app here? I was like, yeah, because running a small business and also the personal household, money gets flying all over the place and it's kind of hard to figure out where it is month to month, all right? So when they said, hey, we've got this whole all-in-one clean dashboard, it'll track accounts, it'll track cards, loans, investments, all of that. Plus, it syncs with over 13,000 different institutions. Well, I was like, sounds great, but like my local bank, I live in a small town, it doesn't like to play well. No, Monarch handled it just fine. I was stunned and impressed, honestly. And now I use it to track everything, separating what we spend on our business from what we spend in our personal lives. It uses a flexible bridging system. So instead of rigid financial data, which will put you to sleep, it just separates your fixed costs from your flexible spending. It gives you an idea, a clear view, if you would, of where your assets and your spending and everything else, making it less of a full-time job and more easy just to kind of quickly touch base on. Also, Monarch is set apart because it's private and ad-free. You're the customer, not the product, not the other way around. So they aren't selling your data or hitting you with annoying ads all the time. You get a look at your real financial data through an AI-powered insight so you can see exactly where that money's going. It lets you get a handle on it before it gets out of hand. Also, we use the couples ready share so my wife and I can be on the same page seeing the same information. I should point out that Monarch isn't a bank either. It's a tool that allows you to do tracking and planning, accessing via both the web and via mobile, as I was just showing you, all right? So you can be organized no matter where you are. So if you're tired of juggling multiple apps, trying to figure out where your money is and what's going on, give Monarch a try. It's the most professional and clean setup that I've seen yet for personal and small business kind of stuff like this. Use my link or the QR code up over there or here and get started and see the difference for yourself. All right, let's jump into those deals. First off, we're over at Lowe's. We got the Lowe's Project Source. This is just your basic everyday screwdriver set, but not at everyday pricing. Look at this. This is a 6-piece 4-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set with rail there, coming in at $498. Next up, we got the Weehaw Pocket Edition. It's like the Altoids tin. Weehaw makes great sets like this, just fantastic. And this thing comes in with the 1/4-inch by 1-inch impact driver bit, so you can use these in your impact driver with the adapter, coming in under $17, $16.98. Then we got the DeWalt. We got a couple, honestly, a couple really hot DeWalt deals. And I'll tell you this, if you're gonna have, like, if you're in the DeWalt line, great. But if you're not in the DeWalt line, you're in a major, battery line, and you're thinking about adding a second line, almost always I'm going to recommend DeWalt because there's such diversity, not even from DeWalt, but from other brands as well, of stuff that's made that runs on DeWalt batteries. But let's take a look at these batteries. They're the Power Stack, just a great battery pack there. We got the 20-volt 1.7. It's the small one, which is great for ratchets, stuff like that. The smaller, the Atomic series, all those kind of compact things. It's coming in at $124. You're getting the battery and you're getting the charger there. All of that deal ends in 14 hours and 24 minutes, 345, 31, 32 seconds. I thought that was fun. Got to wear my glasses when I do this. But if you're in the Craftsman line, we got a nice one here for you. The 20-volt 1-pack 4-amp-hour battery. Normally $129. The 4-amp-hour battery coming in at $39. That's a great deal on that one. Then we got some cabinets here for you. We got the Craftsman 2000 series 52-inch. Again, I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be the same kind of build quality that you're going to see from like the US General Series 3. But they're solid cabinets and there's a ton of storage. And if you're looking for workbench space, this is a great option right here. I have one of these in black and red, the classic one, and you can get it in the black and red. I don't know if that one's on sale as well. So you can get both of them, the black and red or the black on black. Just great work surface. Like if you want workbench space and a ton of storage, these are a solid cabinet to go with at that price, $400. All right, and then we're talking about DeWalt again. We got the DeWalt brushless impact driver. This is the whole deal, the kit, the charger, everything for $100, brushless again. Then we got more cabinets. Look at this. We got the patriotic cabinets, and they had this one before. They had the 9-drawer, the 62.5-inch wide. Now, that's wider than the typical 9-drawer, so don't get those confused. But this one, now they've got the 37-inch coming in at $319. So this one's $698. This one's coming in at $319. We got top boxes as well, so we got some options there. And look at this. If you want something a little more subtle, if the full red, white, and blue is a little too patriotic for you, I mean, I can't help you with that. But if you, I get it. You like the subtle? I get subtle. All right. I'm definitely a subtle kind of person. Anyway, full color or going blackout there, same price. All right, then we're over at Aldi. Everyone think Mike for the Aldi Menards deals. We got this one, the spin bucket. Actually, those are surprisingly good buckets. They are. I tried one. I thought it was a gimmick. You know, there's all these cleaning gimmicks. I tried this. It might be a gimmick, but it's a gimmick that works. All right, it makes life so much easier. There's a little foot pedal. You stompy on the foot pedal. It spins that and it wrings it out. It's trust me, I've mopped many a floor in my day, and I wish I had this when I was doing it. $25 available July 1st. Then we got the Ambino handheld steam cleaner. It's $20 coming in on July 1st over at Aldi. Then we got one more. We got the micros, the mini scrubbers there. This is cool. So don't use it as a toothbrush. It may be tempting, but don't. Coming in at $10 available on July 1st also. Then we're over at Menards. We got the Irwin 15-piece high-speed drill bit set coming in after rebate down to $17.76. A little patriotic sale there for you. We got the Weckerman Flexi Head ratcheting wrench set. Looks like a good set of Dodge wrenches there coming in at $14.99. Then how about a nice pop-up? You're going to go watch the parade. The parade here in Livingston, Montana. Fantastic parade. Nobody does 4th of July like Livingston, Montana. We got the parade. We do it all for the kids. They throw candy. It's old school, small town USA fun. And then we do the rodeo. And it is the smallest rodeo that's still on the professional circuit. So we get all the big names in a small venue. And that's my favorite way. Get it in the small venue. Get it where it's cozy, where you're right up there with the action. You can see what's going on. I mean, the big stadiums are fun and all, but I want that small town feel, that small town rodeo. And I want to be right there when they bust out of those chutes, because, man, that's where the action is. All right. Anyway, get yourself a pop-up, though, for the parade, because you're going to want one. Coming in $49.99 on that. And then we got the 21-piece precision screwdriver set coming in at $1.99 on that as well. We got the hex key set, 9-piece precision hex key set, $4.99 after rebate. And, of course, this is a great deal. Dual Irwin vice grips here. Not vice grip, but vice grip name, but coming in with the groove joint pliers, a.k.a. tongue and groove kind of style. Actually, more along the alligator style there. Coming in at $19.99 after rebate. And then we got the Crescent 3/4-inch drive SAE ratchet handle. This is the big boy. This isn't 3/8. It's 3/4. That's over half an inch, not quite an inch. We're stepping up here. Coming at $29.99. And we also have a screwdriver set, little precision screwdriver set, coming in at $1.99 on that one. And we check out the storage, looking very Black & Decker-ish. The Sona 4-piece plastic storage box set. If you want to get some organization going on, this is a great time of year to do it. $11.99. We got the folding camo shovel there. Great to put on your ATV or that kind of stuff going out in the woods. $3.99 on that. And we got the step ladder with the foam handle. He's going to lift you up. He's always going to be there. He'll bring back the milk, if you know what I mean, okay? Anyway, coming at $29.99. Over at Best Buy. Yes, Best Buy has tools. I don't know if you'll find it in-store, but you can definitely order it. They got the Works Pegasus multi-table there with the clamping system, the whole 9 yards, all of that coming in sub $100, $99.99. You're saving $60 on that. Deal ends in 10 hours, 18 minutes, 16, 15, 14, 13. We're ready for launch. We got over at Home Depot, we got the Husky toolbox. This is a great DIY level. In fact, I've even seen motorcycle shops, pro motorcycle shops, use these because they have smaller bays and they're not as deep, so they want something like this. Also, their tools generally aren't as big. 52-inch by 20" there, coming in with the top chest and the bottom chest, and they got different colors. I don't know if all the colors are on sale. I like that one. Too bad it's out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. Well, looks like they got this one limited stock. You're gonna maybe, it's probably gonna be a local, your mileage may vary kind of stuff. That's a cool color. I like the army green. Come on, under $900. That's a lot of storage. If you can get it in that one, I want to see a picture of it. All right. Let's keep going. We're over at Home Depot. We got the Ryobi battery pack. All right. This is getting you the 3 battery system there. On sale, 51% off. You're getting 2 4 amps and a 2 amp hour, if I'm not mistaken. Plus charger coming in at $179. We got the Milwaukee starter kit. This is your beginner contractor kit. They're not the brushless, they're not the fuel, they're not the top of the line, but this will get you on platform and get you started. Drill driver, impact, circ saw, multi-tool, grinder with a flashlight, 2 bats, charger, and bag coming in at $449. That is 55% off a list. Then next up, we got the Milwaukee blower. Decent blower here. It's not the super high power, but it's not, super anemic either. You're getting 120 mile an hour, 500 CFM. It's a class 1 Hurricane there. 18 volt with 2 batteries, charger, everything else. I mean, basically, you're buying the batteries and the charger. You're getting the blower for free, if we're going to be honest. 43% off on this one. Next up, we've got the M12 stuff. I love that. We've got the fuel in this, fuel impact, fuel hammer drill. You're getting the ratchet with it. The ratchet is not a fuel system, but you're getting the 2 batteries, the charger, in the bag. $249 on that, 39% off. Then we're over at Wolverine. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be like, those aren't heavy-duty construction boots. They're not priced as heavy-duty construction boots either. These are your medium-duty, wear it kind of like sneakers as a boot or boot as a sneaker kind of thing. They're comfort boots. They're comfort work boots, and that's what they are. And for that, they're great. They're on sale right now, $89. But I got a viewer sent this to me. He's got a coupon code that's going to take it down to sub $70, which for a comfort work boot is a good option, all right? Then next up, we've got over at Walmart, we got the Hyper Tough screwdriver set, 6-piece, nice, good, basic entry-level screwdriver set, coming in at $7.43. You're saving $3.41 on that. Also at Walmart, we got a 3 set of the Hyper Tough 12 volts, $44.88 on this. You're saving $5 on the impact driver, saving $10 down to $49.88 on the die grinder here. If you've been looking at the Hercules or the Milwaukee and you were like, I can't afford that, here you go. This is actually a pretty decent die grinder, especially at that price. And then last one in the 12 volt is the multi-tool. It's not the most powerful thing, but actually it's a pretty decent little compact multi-tool coming in just sub $50. You're saving $14 on that. Now let's add some bonus stuff because let's be honest, it's 4th of July. And what do you think about 4th of July? You're thinking about barbecuing, all right? So first of all, I've been thinking about getting the Weber kettle grill, all right? It's not a sale. Trying to find one on sale right now is pretty difficult. But this is the middle of the road one. It's the 22-inch premium kettle there. It's got the quick release, down here so you can do the clean out nice and easy. It's $219. But what I found that makes this exciting is this thing. Oh my gosh. So Blackstone, the guys who make the griddles and stuff, they've come out with what they call a Santa Maria style grill. It's the kind of grill where it's got the crank and you crank the thing up over and you have live coals and everything else. That's pretty cool. I've been thinking about getting that, but there's only so much space. And then I found this. I'm like, now I can have a Weber grill and I can have that Santa Maria. I think they coined that phrase, but whatever. But we're going to use it because it helps differentiate it. But you can have that crank style for $140, setting it right on top of your Weber. It's on sale right now, 30% off at that price. It's normally $200. That is from Ash and Ember. I'm excited about this. I've been wanting to do this style, try it. I've done it all. I've done charcoal, I've done gas, I've got pellet grills. I've had multiple gas grills. I currently have 2 pellet grills. We got rid of the pizza oven because I'm trying to pull back on the carbs. Shut up, phone. Let me put him on be quiet, hush mode. But this is, are you excited about this? I'm excited about this. Let's keep going here. Then we got, I got to talk about pellet grills. Over at Lowe's, and yes, we're sponsored by Lowe's. This is not sponsored content, but Lowe's does do sponsored videos on the channel. That's a fine one. I've talked about it a lot. It's $500 for an 850. Don't go anywhere because there's a twist. There's a plot twist here. 850 or 850 DX. That's 840 square inches. All right, and it's coming in at 500. That's a solid price. Solid price. That is a, oh my. Look at this. This is the Austin XL 1000. This is a much bigger. You're looking at 1,000 square inches of cooking space. You can do 55 burgers on this thing. It's got all the things that you want, and it's $36. Let's see here. 840 square inch for 500 bucks or 1,000 square inch for 536. Brother, this is the move. This is the play right here. This is, if you want to pull the trigger on a full size. We're not there's no caveats on this one. This is the full size grill. I've got a version like this one. They have different trim models, if you would. Think of mine as the Laredo, because it's called the Laredo. But this would be more like the King Ranch version, if you know what I'm saying. Because it's got like the goldish trim, and it's not as polished like super city styling. This is more the country, elite styling. I like this grill. This is a fine grill. I would cook on this grill every day happily. And for $536, oh my gosh, that is a ridiculous price on this. All right, so that is a buy it now kind of price. Now, I was supposed to do a video on Friday covering like camping and power stations and stuff like that. Unfortunately, little under the weather, ate something, did not agree with me. And so we didn't do that, but I'm going to give you, here, come over here. So what I got for you is I got a power station. It's already out. I'm not leaking anything new, but I've got a video coming out on this the day after 4th of July, so July 5th. And it's, I'm going to tell you right now, it's a Jackery system. And for those of you who've been around the channel, I had a beef with Jackery, and I challenged them and what it was is they were trying to control what I would say. And basically, they're like, you can't say anything negative. Well, those people, that's what I keep telling you about companies, those people are gone. All right? They got Das Boot. And they put them in a submarine and sank it. So what we got is this, and we'll come back over here and we're going to tell everyone about it, all right? So we got the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus. This is the big boy Jackery. And I got to tell you, I am stunned by this thing. It is really good. I really like it. In fact, I liked it so much, I pulled the system that runs my whole studio, and it's plugged in right there. It's running it now. Over the moon about this thing. And I've got a coupon code. They've got the sale price right now. I don't know if the coupon code has gone live yet, but you can try it, all right? Let me know. It's going to should knock another 5% off this price. Anyway, if you're looking for, this is not a take camping kind of charger or battery system. This is like, we're talking zero switchover, running all, like, that's why I have all my high-end expensive cameras and computers and stuff all plugged into this, because it's instant switchover on power. All right, this runs everything, whole home backup. Now it's on wheels, and it even has the little telescoping, luggage style handle, so it is movable. But brother, you're gonna want help if you need to lift it. All right. Anyway, we got a full video coming on. I won't waste any more time. That's all we got for you today. It's compact, it's condensed, because again, no Amazon sales, because I think we're all a little burned out on Amazon at this point. At least our wallet is, right? So anyway, links as always down below. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.